after the coconut caramel cake fest, of which I did not partake. I took a bite, a taste. It was good. It wasn't fabulous. Yes, I'm going to make a low-carb, low-ish carb dessert that I can snack on the rest of the week and share with my aunt while I'm here. So let me tell you the ingredients. 1 block of cream cheese, softened. I've got here 6 sugar-free shortbread cookies that I found at the local grocery store. These have 4 or 5 grams of carbs a piece. That's actually pretty high, but anyway, they didn't have any almond flour. I would have made my own. So this is what I got. Vanilla. Oh, lemon. I knew I'd forget something. And I got like 3 halves of lemon here. That should be plenty. This is stevia. So that'll be my sugar substitute. I think that's it. Oh, butter. I got 2 tablespoons of butter. Put my cookies in a Ziploc bag. And crush them fine. So we've been crushing a lot of pills around here for my dad. The flashlight makes an excellent crusher. So I'll just bang up the cookies and then roll them since we don't have a rolling pin. Whatever works. My aunt is back there fixing my dad's nightly ice cream dish. What you fixing, cookies and cream or moose tracks?
Moose tracks.
Moose tracks, all right. Finely crushed, sugar-free shortbread with pecan crumbs. Put it into the 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Give it a stir. Right, so I'm going to evenly spread the crumb crust into the large muffin tin. To the cream cheese, I'm going to juice the lemons. That's probably a 1/4 cup to 1/3 of lemon juice. Stevia, I'm not real sure about it. I'm gonna go ahead and put a whole teaspoon. And then a whole teaspoon of vanilla. Smash that up. And I'm gonna whisk it till it's really smooth. Taste. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of real sugar. It has a very sour, creamy taste, which is really good, and I don't like it very sweet, so it's perfect for me. So now I'm going to equally divide the cream cheese mixture into the cups. Not very pretty. I'm trying to keep it away from the edges, not that it matters, but I'm going to chill it overnight, and then they should just sort of pop out and be a more than a bite size, like a 2 bite size dessert. But first, I have these pretty strawberries I'm gonna garnish. This is the toasted almond and coconut topping from the cake video. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit over each, just to give it a little crunch. These are actually pretty beautiful. All right, in the fridge overnight, so tomorrow at coffee time I will try one of these and let you know what I think, and I'll post a recipe in the description below. And what I'm going to do is try to cipher about how many carbs per serving these have. So thanks for watching, and see ya tomorrow at coffee time. Coffee time in my Christmas cup. And someone got into the low carb treats. Actually, I ate one, but I don't know where the other two went. Daddy's been known to roam around at night. So there's a little treat. I used this rubber spatula just to scoop it out. It slid right out. Oh, that's a big mouthful. It's very good, tart, creamy, crunchy, got the strawberry, delicious, and it's only between 5 and 6 grams of carbs for the whole serving. That's pretty awesome. The recipe for it is in the description below. Check it out if you're interested in a low carb snack. Thanks for watching.